What are you boys doing? Huh? What you doing, KK? You gonna get Spunky? Huh? Hi, Tasha. You gonna go get him? You gonna get that crazy boys, Tasha? Go on, Tasha. Go on. You gonna check out the food? Huh? What's everybody doing? What's they doing? Huh?